Or through, what do you mean by axial flow turbines? The axial flow machines are those in which fluid enters and leaves the rotor at the same radius. Hence, the U1 is equals to U2 for axial flow machines. In this kind of machines, the flow velocity Vf is assumed constant from inlet and outlet. That is, the example for such type of the turbines, steam turbines, gas turbines, etc. So now velocity diagrams for various values of R for axial flow turbines. Since that, so with U1 and U2 condition for axial flow turbines, the equation for the degree of reaction R is given by R is equals to VR2 square minus VR1 square. So the V1 square minus V2 square plus VR2 square minus VR1 square. So we can write this expression also as VR2 square minus VR1 square by 2GC by E. That is equation number 18. And energy transfer equation is energy transfer E is equals to 1 by 2 Gc V1 square minus V2 square plus R2 square minus VR1 square. So that is expression number 19. So here there is no U term because of this one is axial flow turbines. The U1 is equals to U2. From the equation number 18, the different values of R can be obtained depending upon the velocity components. Thus, for different values of R, different velocity triangles can be drawn. The first velocity triangle when R is lesser than 0, so that is R value is negative. So this one is a velocity, combined velocity triangle when R is equals to less than 0. So here, if R to be negative, so in this equation number 18, VR1 should be greater than VR2. That is, VR1 greater than VR2. The corresponding velocity diagram is as shown in figure. So in this case, even though the R is negative, the energy transfer is positive. So now the same one more velocity triangle for that same degree of reaction is equals to lesser than 0. So now coming to the degree of reaction, the velocity triangle for the degree of reaction is equals to 0. So that is called as the impulse turbine. The example for such type of turbines is Pelton wheel turbine. See here when R degree of reaction is equals to 0, when VR1 is equals to VR2 in equation number 18. So hence the blade angle at inlet is equals to blade angle at outlet, that is beta 1 is equals to beta 2. So this is the characteristics of impulse turbine. So this also implies that there is no static pressure change across the rotor. The corresponding velocity diagram is shown in a figure. So in this case, the energy transfer is positive. Hence, the energy transformation occurs purely due to the absolute kinetic energy. So that is given by the expression energy transfer is equals to 1 by 2 Gc V1 square minus V2 square. So this is one more velocity triangle for this given condition. Third one, when degree of reaction is equals to 0.5, that is 50% of reaction turbine. So here in this 50% of reaction turbine, the condition will be like that the V1 square minus V2 square is equals to VR2 square minus VR1 square. That means the V1 is equals to VR2 and V2 absolute velocity at exit is equals to relative velocity at inlet. So in this case, energy transformation occurs initially by impulse action and then by reaction. The generalized velocity diagram is shown in figure. The next fourth one, when degree of reaction is equals to 1, that means the R value is equals to 1, that is a fully reaction turbine. The velocity diagram is shown in figure. In this one, so this degree of reaction 1 is possible when V1 absolute velocity at inlet is equals to absolute velocity at outlet. In this case, then when degree of reaction is equals to 1, the energy transformation occurs purely due to change in relative kinetic energy of the fluid. So now this expression is given by energy transfer is equals to 1 by 2 Gc into VR2 square minus VR1 square. So same condition, one more triangle is drawn here. The fifth condition, so when the degree of reaction value is greater than 1, so this is a velocity triangle for the degree of reaction is greater than 1. So this is possible when the absolute velocity at outlet, that is V2, is greater than V1. Then the energy transfer may be negative or positive, and this is a velocity triangle when degree of reaction is greater than 1. And these are the information regarding to different velocity triangles for the various values of degree